In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust notifications for Google Tasks Explained. If you use Google Tasks to keep track of your to-dos, your notifications are managed through Google Calendar. I'll walk you through where to find the setting and what each option means so you can choose the alert style that works best for you. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the right Google account, especially if you switch between personal and work profiles, because notification settings are saved per account. Once Calendar is open, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where Google keeps all of your calendar and task preferences in one place. In the Settings view, find and select Notification Settings. Depending on your layout, it's usually under the General section on the left sidebar. This page controls how Calendar delivers alerts, and it also covers notifications for Google Tasks because Tasks integrates directly with Calendar for reminders. On the Notifications section, click the main drop-down menu. This is where you choose your preferred style. You'll see three choices: Off, Desktop Notifications, and Alerts. Off disables pop-ups entirely. Choose this if you only want to see your tasks inside Calendar without getting interruption banners. Desktop notifications use your computer's native notification system. When a task is due, you'll get a standard system banner or alert, the same way you'd see messages from other apps. This option is great if you want notifications even when the Calendar tab isn't front and center, as long as your browser is open. Alerts show a pop-up within the Calendar tab itself. It's a more contained experience and works well if you keep Calendar open while you work and prefer not to use system banners. A quick tip on desktop notifications: if you select it but don't see alerts, your browser may be blocking notifications for Calendar. Check your browser's site permissions and allow notifications for the Calendar site. Also, keep in mind that notifications only appear for tasks that have a date, and for time-based reminders, you'll need to add a time to the task. Changes you make here save automatically, so there's no separate save button to click. That's it. You've set how Google Tasks alerts will appear through Google Calendar. Choose Off for a distraction-free setup, Desktop Notifications for system-level alerts, or Alerts for in-tab pop-ups. You can revisit this setting anytime if your needs change. Thanks for watching, and happy task planning.